In a picturesque park, with trees gently swaying and leaves rustling in a calming symphony, a family picnic was underway. The scent of fresh grass mingled with the sweet aroma of homemade sandwiches, as a light breeze added the perfect chill to what could have been a hot day. The Sharma family settled on a soft patch of grass, adorned with a cheerful red checkered blanket. Laughter and conversations drifted across the park as Mr. and Mrs. Sharma indulged in lighthearted banter about their children's antics. A lively debate caught the interest of little Anya and her younger brother Arjun. Eager-eyed, they steered the conversation toward their parents' recent visit to the voting booth. Anya, with her ever-curious mind, asked, "Mama, why do you vote?" Mrs. Sharma exchanged a knowing smile with her husband before answering, "We vote to have a say in what happens in our country. It's how we help choose the leaders who make important decisions for us all." "What kind of decisions?" Arjun inquired, his small eyebrows knit together adorably. Mr. Sharma joined in, "Decisions about how to take care of our parks, our schools, and making sure everyone has the things they need." The children nodded, still enthralled. "Is it like when we choose who gets to pick the game we play?" Anya asked. "Exactly," Mrs. Sharma affirmed, "but on a much bigger level." The discussion morphed into a mini lesson on citizenship and democracy. It was filled with giggles and small anecdotes about the first time Mr. and Mrs. Sharma voted and the delightful surprise of dipping a finger in the indelible ink. As the sun dipped lower on the horizon, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink, the family packed their belongings. Mr. Sharma picked up Arjun, who was by now sleepy-eyed and nestled in his father's shoulder.